Jack the Rattler back at you. Reporting live from deep in the heart of Texas, in Houston. We have a problem. This is Timber Lakes Timber Ridge, about a half a mile behind my house. It's not good. And unfortunately, it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. When they open the water from the Lake Conroe Dam in a couple of hours, 3 or 4 hours later, it'll surge down here. I've seen some of these houses up to their rooftops before. Brought the Suburban down here. We're going to help evacuate people here in the next couple of hours. And yes, we do take dogs. We do take dogs. I've done this twice in the last 25 years. Phenomenal. Jack the Rattler reporting live from deep in the very wet heart of Texas. Back at you. Wow. Yep, and it's not getting any better. Jack the Rattler back at you here. We're up to about waist deep. But my buddy Ivan is just right down here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to see if there's anything he wants taken out before it gets worse. My goodness gracious. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Alright, here goes a brave soul. The guy I was chatting with later. A kayak just went down and is marking it. I think he's going to make it. Holy cow. In the words of Stevie Ray Vaughan, it's flooding down in Texas. And yay, he made it. He lives right up on top of that hill to the left. So at least he got home. See you later. Holy cow. This current's pretty strong. Seems to be getting deeper and deeper. Coming up on a hill. Here we go. Oh yeah. Whew. I don't remember that bump. Okay. After trudging through the tundra, mile after mile. Oh, let's see if I'm still on the yellow line. Oh yes, a yellow line. I made it. Jack the Rattler. Following the yellow line.